Google confirms it's beginning to roll out its latest core algorithm update for March 2023. As we all know, these updates can have significant implications for search rankings, so staying informed is crucial. Google will update its ranking release history page once the implementation is completed. This article serves as an initial announcement that Google has begun rolling out its March 2023 core algorithm update. As more details become available, we'll continue to monitor the situation and provide updates accordingly. Remember that core updates can take weeks to roll out, and search rankings will likely fluctuate during this period. Therefore, it's too early to accurately assess the impact of the March 2023 core update until the rollout is closer to completion. Google is no stranger to algorithm updates, regularly introducing changes to enhance its understanding and ranking of content. With these updates, Google aims to deliver increasingly relevant, high-quality search results. However, with these updates come changes in how Google evaluates and ranks websites, which means SEO professionals and website owners must stay in the know and adapt their strategies. While we don't have specifics about the March 2023 core update, we can draw some conclusions based on past updates. Here are some critical takeaways you'll want to keep in mind. Time is of the essence. The effects of core algorithm updates aren't immediately noticeable. It can take days or weeks for Google's crawlers to index and reassess the web. Keep an eye on the numbers, watch your site's organic search traffic and keyword rankings, as these metrics will help you gauge the update's impact and identify potential areas for improvement. Quality is king. Google's goal with these updates is to serve better search results. That means consistently creating valuable content tailored to your target audience's needs. Don't neglect the fine details. Your site's technical aspects, such as site speed, mobile friendliness, and proper indexing, play a massive role in determining your overall ranking. Give them the attention they deserve. Google's March 2023 core algorithm update is a stark reminder that SEO professionals and website owners must always stay on their toes to maintain their competitive edge. By staying informed, monitoring metrics, focusing on quality content, and optimizing technical aspects, you can help ensure your site remains in Google's graces. Ultimately, these updates are intended to enhance the user search experience, so always prioritize your audience's needs and strive to provide value through your content.